Hey guys, welcome to another video. Last year I plant one and it did well. I'm gonna put it back in the same spot that I did last year, and it was over here, right there. So I'm gonna have it running up this trellis. And if you look at it, that's not the side I'm going to plant it from. I'm going to plant it from this side, which is open. So the leaves and sprouts supposed to come out from this side, not the closed side. That's how deep I'm planting it. And that's it. Like I said, it did well last year. And I don't know what's going on with my potatoes, but they're over there. I don't know what's going on with them, but I'm gonna go and start tying up my tomatoes. I like to use zip ties because I can control how tight they are with the zip ties. Last week I went and I got everything from off the bottom. I trimmed the bottom. This week there's more growth. There's more vines. Starting to see some blossom. When I do it, that's how tight I do it. So all the new growth is going to time against this mesh thing I have. There's a lot of new branches. And this is just stemming from last week. This is a new one. I'm gonna see if I can put it up against here. I'm also gonna do some trimming. The reason why I trim is taking the energy from the bottom and let the energy go to the top. I have a couple of new growths that I'm not going to put against this orange thing. I'm going to just tie them on to a main branch. What I do is I control where I want them to grow to. This is a new growth. I'm pulling it in. This is a new growth. Let's see if you guys can see it. This one is a new growth growing out. We need to bring it towards the main branch and zip tie it. Basically I have everything up against it. So next week I come, it's going to be different. You're going to see the growth. I'm going to trim some bottom leaves off. Like when I weed grass from here, or leaves, I give it to the chickens. This is an extra growth. What you can do too, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys. This, I'm going to stick a piece of aloe on the bottom and plant it, push it inside there with the potatoes. And I guarantee it's going to start growing. I'm going to do it with a couple of pieces and show you guys. I'm going to feed the chickens with this that I I'm going to use the growth, the root and powder, Stay tuned. Alright, I changed my mind. I'm going to use the aloe. See? Alright, let me get another piece so I could, instead of doing one piece, I want to do more than one. I see a lot. This one looks good. This one. And I'm going to show you guys the progress of them. So I got these 3 pieces. I'm going to stick them in here with the potatoes. A cut piece of this aloe. With this, that's all I do. Stick the bottom part in the aloe, make a hole, and put it in. I'm gonna give you guys an update on this. So there goes those 3 tomatoes plants, and I cut them. I guarantee you I'm gonna have brand new tomato plants over there. I'll let you guys see. Now, I don't know. I gotta spray these things. Something's eating the leaves of the string beans. If you can see. So, I gotta do something about it. Also, I have some callaloo in here. Yeah, callaloo. What I'm gonna do is get some soap water and spray them. The grass, I'm not gonna pull the grass until next week. I want them to get to a certain size where when I pull them, I pull everything out. Like, see how this one got big? You could just grab the whole thing and pull it up, root and all. So that's what I want. So now what I'm gonna do with this grass right here is going to the chickens. They love grass. Stay tuned.